Morning traders, and this is your DAX review for today. So we've got a gap up above our measured move targets yesterday. No real opportunity to get in, and then we have formed this triangle, and I think we're going to see this on the 1 hour. Okay, there's my flat top triangle. And if I look at the US markets going into close yesterday, there was some serious bullish action there. And the DAX futures at the moment is up 0.3% right now, 12,426. Let's see where this is, 12,384, 12,4. Oh, it's good enough, 12. So price is pretty much up at this area here. Now, if we just come to the daily, you'll see we kind of hovering in this area here. Okay, so trend is still up. I think this measured move is done now as well, the bigger one. Let's just double check that. So this was our head and shoulders here. There is, so it's 580 points. Not quite. So there is our measured move, which is up here, which is pretty much where price is at the moment. Okay, so price is pretty much on our measured move of this breakout here. Okay, so there's our consolidation, shoulder, head, shoulder, breakout. Okay, so I do suspect a little bit more upside, but a little bit wary at the moment as to where we're going to. We've got quite a bit of congestion to the left here. So for me at the moment, still looking for a pullback to get in on this trade. So for the DAX, still sitting on the sidelines. We've made our money out of this this week. Made some pretty decent tom on this measured move that's happened. Pretty much all the measured moves that happened, but at the moment we've got a triangle breakout, and the logical target on this is pretty much only 50 points. Okay. So yeah, I think long, for me, is still long. We're probably going to get a gap up. You should get an opportunity to get back in long on the first pullback for the day, keeping your stop below sort of the low of yesterday. If we can come back to this area here, it would be ideal, and that would give us a 75-point stop for a 65-point gain. Not the best trade, but I think that's the only thing that I can see at the moment. It's still long, but as you can see yesterday, we're still pretty messy as well on the lower time frames. So yeah, I think for the DAX, all the oscillators are indicating be careful. So let's just take that out. That's a high. So it wouldn't surprise me if we get gap up, and then 12,451 is the area that we turn around and then come back. Okay, not all the way back down, but some kind of a pullback, which is going to allow you the opportunity to get back in to the long side. Okay, but I think for me, the DAX right now is just sit on my hands and wait. Took profit here when we hit the target measured move, and we pretty much went sideways all of yesterday. So nothing really inspiring yesterday, so we could get a break out of this. And the other way to look at this is it could also be a range consolidation and now break to the upside. Okay, I just don't see very much opportunities to the left at the moment. And the other thing that we need to do is just put those two fractals in. So there is another target. Okay, now the very interesting thing here is a break through this area of congestion here on the weekly. If we can get a weekly close above this, I'd expect us to tag this line a little bit of a pullback and then break through here. then that's it. Your Christmas rally is starting early because that breakout is going to be telling. Okay, and pretty much your measured move, you're going to have a measured move of this whole move here, consolidation, another move up. Okay, so yeah, so I think at the moment that's what it's looking like. I think we're going to have a pretty strong rally into Christmas. So clearly the politicians are busy tap dancing to get this moving. So yeah, I think I'm looking for opportunities to be long, stay long at the moment, but not with everything looking like it is. I want to see some kind of a pullback in order for me to get in long again. And we're going to watch for those breakouts. These breakouts are pretty critical at the moment. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Sitting on my hands with the DAX for now, waiting for the first pullback and then looking for a long entry. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.